Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Vaillant boiler F27 error code in 2026. So first of all, let's understand what this particular error actually means. So this error usually indicates a flame detection fault, or what's known as an incorrect flame signal. So in simple terms, the boiler thinks that there is a flame present when there shouldn't be, so it shuts down as a safety precaution. So one of the most common causes of this particular problem is moisture or condensation that is affecting the boiler's electrical components. So another possible cause can be a faulty flame sensor or ignition electrode, or sometimes gas ball, or even a problem with the boiler's PCB, which is the main control board. So in order to fix it, you need to simply start checking if the boiler has recently experienced any moisture issues around the casing or nearby the pipework. Then you can just simply try a simple boiler reset using the reset button. So on your Vaillant boiler, this particular button is the reset button. So you need to simply press this particular reset button. If the boiler restarts normally after pressing this, you need to simply monitor it for a while in order to see if the fault returns. However, if the F27 fault comes back repeatedly even after resetting it, it means the issue is usually related to an electrical or ignition component inside the boiler. So you can try this easy fix and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.